this birdsong. 2 scarfs. I'm here early. I've just been to Valerie's, dropped round a roast dinner. Yeah, it's really wow. Birdsong. It's been ages since I've been this early, and they were blue tits. Anyway, I'm doing the birdsong. You would have seen it. I'm going to put it on the screen whilst the birdsong was going, so you would see what all the birds that was singing, because it was a proper chorus. They're quieting down. I think because I'm here. Right, let's have. I'm going to quickly look because I haven't seen. I was just thinking whilst it was listening. So it was blue tit, wren, jackdaw, wood pigeon, and a crow so far. Fantastic. I'll leave that to carry on recording. Get in the shed, have a coffee. It's freezing. Although I've got to be honest, there's no wind, so it's not that uncomfortable freezing. It's just really nice to be here early. I haven't even. The shed is still. It's just, yeah, wow, fantastic. What's jobs today? Well, let's get in the shed and look at the wildlife camera. Actually, that will be a good job. I'll see you in a minute. Oh, cheers everybody. Oh, an early start today. So I'm going to actually go and get some wood chip. So it'll be wheelbarrow cam in a minute. And then also some manure, because I'll just show you because it's easier. I just pulled out the cardboard that I had in the shed and stuck it there because I'd actually forgotten I'd cleared the, what do you call it? Staples off that. So that's perfect. So I'll just create. See, with no dig, you do have to renew the cardboard because some of the perennial weeds live longer than the sort of degrading of the cardboard, if that makes sense. So that I'd already put cardboard on that more than 3 months ago, so it needed a refresher. I did say this before ages ago, I remember now, but still I had been putting it off for ages, and I do need to get more cardboard. I need to go start collecting again. Oh, I do have some in the boot actually. There's manure on one side and wood chip on the other, so we'll get wood chip first, create a path, and then go get manure, create a second bed, and I'll get the cardboard. I might be able to create another path on the other side. Jeez, oh, never mind. Oh, there was lots more bird activity. Where's my glasses? Whilst when I went off camera, I carried on having a look. A robin, a wren. Oh no! Hold up. A great tit. I'm not sure if yeah. Yeah, added to. So it was a great tit, a robin, a blue tit, a wren, a jackdaw, a wood pigeon, a crow, and a dunnock so far. I think I'll leave it there though because it's recording. I haven't found where it records onto my phone, but I don't know if you can hear that. Oh, that's from the phone. And then it highlights. So this is a recording. That's so cool. I'll have to look into recording, screen recording it to be able to put it up there when it was actually happening. Let's go get some, what did I, wood chip first, wood chip. You'll be in the wheelbarrow. See you in a bit. some progress. Path, bed, path. I'm going to get more cardboard from Halfords, I think, tomorrow. Or well, I'll give it a go anyway. If hopefully I have to remember to pass Halfords. Yeah, I've put a fresh load to wash. I've taken out the ones that were in there, and I've inspected each one for snails. That's going to be another frog home, broken pot from my old place. Just create another couple of frog homes, hopefully, shelters at the very least, like that one there. Just maybe a couple here and there. Obviously, it's going to be a lot more growth. I am going to put a temporary shade up. I'm using these shepherd hooks. Remember, Penny, you gave me these. Thank you so much. These are the best things. I am look. If I can, well, I mean, car boots are coming back on actually soon in March. It'd be worth trawling through a car boot to look for more of these. They're so useful, rather than buying brand new. But maybe some scaffolding netting just to create temporary shade until the planting grows. Yeah, that should be a good idea. Let me know what you think. I'm going to do that soon. Yeah. Oh, and I keep forgetting about this rose. I mean, it's growing. Is it all right to move it now? Oh, what do you think? Yeah, I don't know. So, right. I wonder whether to do that now, the shading. Yeah, let's do that now. Yeah, let's get the scaffolding netting out, cut it to size, and oh, hang on, cable ties. I just thought, oh no, I've only got one left. Scrap that idea. Never mind. Let's get in the shed then. Let's put you down. I did get these to create another, because when I sow seeds, some of these I might plant out, the Brussels sprouts. I don't know. It's so hard because I'm worried about the frost. After nurturing them this long, I really don't want any last frost to kill them. But I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Horticultural fleece maybe, protection. I don't know. Difficult to decide. Especially, yeah. I'll do some more research. When I edit this, I will do some Googling, but I'm going to try and raise these off the surface like that. And then when I do sow seeds, there's loads of light, look, underneath. Enough, hopefully, well, especially when the weather warms up a bit, because I think these aren't germinating, maybe because it's just not warm enough. I'm not sure. In fact, I need to go and get a tray. I'll be back. I just need to get a little tray. I have to inspect these because I don't want to bring in any slugs or snails. Because I do like hiding. I'm not sure whether these will germinate. That's the melon. I'll always try again though. Push comes to shove. I don't know if that'll work. We will find out soon enough. Let's put that down. These are good though. Where did I get these from? B&M, I think. Yes. Did I get them from B&M? I'm pretty sure I did. I think they were like $2.99. I use them in my kitchen cupboards. So you can have sort of plates there and other plates on there, you know, that kind of thing. They really do. I got all these from my old kitchen because my old kitchen was tiny, and I've obviously, these are spare ones because my new kitchen is massive. So I don't need it as much. So these were, the legs are a little bit wonky on these ones. Oh, that's better. It's like a forest. I love it. tidy up a bit and have some. I'm going to have some more coffee. I think I'll probably wind the video down now. Video, 1980s. Anyone remember Blockbuster? Oh, I used to love going in there, choosing a video for Friday night. Yeah, now you do it via Netflix on your telly. I mean, we use Fire Sticks in our house. I love Fire Sticks. They're so brilliant. There's no monthly subscription. I mean, obviously there's a monthly subscription for Netflix, those types of things. But YouTube, because we can watch YouTube on the telly then. Brilliant. Oh, and all the iPlayer, ITV Plus, the Channel 5 apps, all free. What's the other one? I mean, I go a lot to Netflix. I do like watching the stuff on Netflix. What am I watching at the moment? I've just watched Miss Potter. I really like that. And another one I finished watching, that's why I watched Miss Potter after, the Durrells. If any of you remember that, the books, the Durrell family, when they moved to Corfu in the interwar period. And they're kind of a bit of a madcap family. She was a widow. Yeah, it's great. If you haven't watched the Durrells, go and watch it because it was absolutely lovely. I think there's 4 seasons. I don't know what the English word for that. We don't normally call them seasons, but you get used to it after a while. Let's. What am I doing? Oh man, I've completely forgotten. Waffle. These are my sort of dainty pots for they're cups that I put my succulents in. This is an old cup, but it's got a massive crack in it, so it's perfect for repurposing. They are clean, I haven't wiped them down, but for these little succulents and cacti. Let's put them somewhere safe so they don't fall. I'll do them on another day. I need to tidy all the shed up. I need to go spring clean soon. I'm quite pleased with a little bit of progress. Little bit of progress every day. That's what counts, isn't it? Yeah. Well, it's March soon. Oh, my God, this month goes quick. February, and it's a leap year. I didn't realise until I read it somewhere. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Take care, everybody. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Oh, and just in case you're interested, there is an actual vlog on my new channel, the Austin Princess. We've decided to call her Doris. Doris the Princess, or just Doris. My lovely 1965 Austin 11 Princess. She's an absolute beaut, needs a lot of work. The vlogs won't be thick and fast, they'll be quite a slow progress, but it's there. So currently I think I'm at 80 subscribers, and thanks to everybody who are on this channel who've gone over there. It's really lovely of you. But just so in case you don't know, I've managed to get a vlog up, the very first one, which is fantastic. And we did open the boot, and we'll have another look. We'll have a look at the engine, and I might go a little bit into the history of the cars, because the man who designed the Austin 1100s and 1300s is the same man, Italian engineer. I don't know how to say his name, and I can't escapes me right this second. I might put it there. Designed the Mini, and these were intended to be like the Minis for families. So they're sort of with hydroelastic suspension, which was unique to them. You bounce along very comfortably. They're fantastic cars. So yeah, there's a vlog there, just a little introduction to it. Thanks everybody. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.